what's up guys? So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a thumbnail, remove the watermark, and post it on YouTube all for free on your iPhone or Android. So the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to download this app right here. This app, and it'll help you make your thumbnails. Yeah, I'll show you what it's called in the App Store if it'll load, because the App Store wants to take a long time to load. So then you go to your App Store or whatever, thumbnail maker, and it'll be like one of the first apps you'll see. It's this thing. It's really fun to use, actually. Then, after you download it, you'll go onto it. Then you'll go to your thumbnail maker. Then you can pick, like, if you want to do like a collage or something or not. If you don't, just click for example. But like, if you want to just like add text, you just type text here. I'm gonna say my best clips, and I can actually make that a different color just by clicking on the text and then scrolling through the colors. I'll make it this color, put it down here, and then I could, add a sticker. But if I wanted to add something, this is my Clan's image if you don't know already. And yeah, you just crop it like that. Like that. Keep pressing arrows. And you can put it in the corner, like you have like a clan. You want to split your clan by putting it in the corner, just like that. If you want to like add like an emoji or something, click on the stickers. There's a bunch of stickers you can choose from. You can also buy like stickers. I don't know. I don't recommend you do that though, because yeah. And then you could pretty much just like choose your filter if you wanted to. It's really cool actually. Alright, so now we're going to save this. I'm going to teach you guys how to remove the watermark that's in the corner. Alright, save. I didn't know that. So you go to your pictures. You go to crop. Sorry, my bad. Don't know how to use a phone. And then you just want to crop out the thing. It might remove some of the picture, but trust me, it will make it look a lot better. And if you want to go into it and edit it, make this like a little more centered, you can. But look at that, no watermark, just like that. And then how you upload it is you'll go to, or first you have to download YouTube Studio on your iPhone or Android. And then you're going to go to your dashboard. It'll automatically take you to your dashboard. And then once you're on your dashboard, if it'll ever load for me, right there, you can just go to this. Just go to your video that you want to put a thumbnail on, press the pencil button, and then press on your picture. You press just change for me, and then you put it on there, and then just crop it, and then you press select, which I'm not going to do because I don't want to do that on this video. But yeah, that's how you really do it. It's the easiest and simplest method that you can do for free, and it takes no time at all. It takes literally like 10 minutes. If you do it quickly enough and you start getting the hang of it, it'll literally take 10 minutes. That's all you have to do. And so thank you guys for watching the video. And yeah, peace.